This little thing is not always easy to grip. Well, look at that. We got more lunch meat. We got more water. Stay hydrated. I like Italian dressing second to ranch. I don't know what this is, but it's cute. Well, surprise, we got more lobster. Oh my God, in real life, I just ate some Jell-O vanilla pudding yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna try to put these away all cutesy with these tweezers. Hopefully I don't wreck everything. This is about 150